That one.
Mm-hmm. Oh, Pudding's scared. It's okay, Pudding. You don't have to be scared of another one.
That one ain't
Jeez.
done.
Oh, hey, y'all. We're lighting fireworks out there. Okay, hey, y'all. We was lighting fireworks out here. I forgot to say hey, but yeah, we're out here lighting fireworks over here. Oh, God. Okay. Oh, do that one. Hold on. 1 second, y'all. Get open the phone and. Okay.
Oh, boss, be quiet. I kind of like it. Huh? What?
How many more we got?
I don't know. We got like
3. Oh, no, we got 6 big ones.
Can I have a visit?
Okay.
He's trying to open it.
Okay.
Okay.
Light that one.
Okay,
My grandpa's about to light this firework.
Wait a minute.
We also got these big ones right here. They also got those kiwis on them. Kiwi. Here, y'all go through some. I wanna. Here. Bunny's going in front, then y'all can go in the back. There we go.
Oh, my phone.
Oh, like that one.
Wait. Look at
Dang. I hear somebody screaming out there. They said, oh. Like that one. Oh. Another one, girl. Oh, great. Not the popping again. Oh my god. It's okay, Kiwi. It's just a firework. Oh, God. Okay. Okay, the next one is this one. Do this one. This one's called Sun Rays. And Kiwi, you need to hold the phone real quick.
something bad's going to happen. She's an absolute nuisance.
Francis,
That
you
yellow
can't.
frustrated.
No, actually, open it soon.
I'll be ashamed of herself. I'm going to have to make a fool.
Francis, what if she comes out here?
I'm going to get it down. I've been one something. My Lord,
All right, you end up with Devontae.
she did not touch me.
Francis, they're not bothering you. I mean, you're doing this in front of your
I
grandson.
just don't like drunk.
I know, but Francis, you're doing it in front of your grandson. That's their business.
Okay,
All
jeez.
right.
Come on, y'all. Y'all can't be doing this. Francis, Ann is probably like all the way over there. She won't even know that we're over here. Okay. Let me actually open this one. This one's called Pistol Pete. And we got this one called Sky Striker. And then this one is called Fat Cat, On Your Marks, and Blue Ribbon. Oh, this one. Watch, Kiwi. There you go again. Oh, Norby, you're out here too? Okay, look at the fireworks. Oh. Okay, let me open this one.
Take it to the garbage can.
The garbage can right here. I'm just going to pick them up like that.
Okay. There's one for the next. How many more we got?
I don't know, Francis. We got like 5 left. Well, actually 6 because I'm opening up this one.
Okay.
Okay, I'm actually gonna. Gary, I'm gonna like this one.
Okay.
Okay, there's turn.
Okay, guys, I wanna watch. We're gonna this one. God, this one's called Pistol P. I wonder how good this one will be. Oh no, pistol. Okay, lighter.
I just quiet. I mean, we're good.
Oh. Jesus. I'm right here, Francie. You move. Okay. And they're watching the thing. Another one, dang. It's gonna be the popping. Oh. Okay, that was cool. Okay.
Alright, Papa's turn, the next one.
No, he can light. I let him light him.
I'll pass it to Rodney.
I don't ever.
He knows
I
how to
always
do
let
it
him
now.
light him.
Let me just turn around here.
I'm glad that little
Hey,
piece
y'all.
so it don't, you don't
I'm
have
just
to smell all
opening
that.
this one. Look. Oh, sorry. Okay. Oh, got my nose. Okay. And okay. This one's called Sky Striker. Oh, Gary, I'll do the next one. Okay. I'm gonna go do the thing. Okay, let me.
If you want to.
No, it's okay. I'll do the next one. Let me get this one. Oh, wait a minute.
Do the next one.
The next one is called Fat Cat. I just have to bite into it, you know.
He says Papa's turn.
Woo! That one fooled me. I had the thing sitting there that was already lit.
I can't have Oh. Let me move that like y'all can see that. Strawberry. Okay. Oh. Okay, that was epic. Okay.
What's epic, man?
The firework, Francis, what do you think I was talking
I don't
about?
know what epic means.
It means amazing. It's the same word as amazing. Oh, no. Okay.
Okay.
Y'all wait.
Then turn.
Yo, what the? Okay. Oh, no, what the thing or something? Okay. Oh, yeah, I can't see. I'm
Ooh, that sounds
opening this
good.
one.
That's all I heard. Get in.
Yeah.
Plow.
Okay,
Yeah.
Gary, just this one. I will do that one next. I just got them.
You want to do this one, Fat Cat?
Yes. Okay, y'all.
Right, Fat Cat.
Francis over. Okay, I'm gonna like this with y'all.
Okay, let's turn Fat Cat. Okay, then you gotta find what's called Fat Cat.
Okay, I'm gonna go. You don't see? Oh.
was a good fat cat. Wonder why they call it fat cat.
Gary, no wonder why they're called Gary. Okay, now I'm gonna do this one on your marks. Okay, do this one, Gary. This one's called on your. Only 2 left, sadly.
Okay. Did you enjoy
That was
it?
called. Okay,
Well,
this one's called on your marks because it has the rabbit and the turtle.
okay, baby.
Oh yeah, it is called on your mark.
And then the last one is called Blue Ribbon.
You got like blue ribbon?
I mean, I guess. Here, let me actually put the puffy mark right here. Y'all, to be honest with the smile, that's how smile works. The fireworks smell like burnt popcorn.
On the mark.
Get set, go.
Go. Wait a minute, go.
Y'all send them to Natalie?
Yeah, okay. And then the last one is called Blue Ribbon.
Go ahead, Lenny. You can do it.
Oh, no, it's okay. I just want to make this video.
No, I'm gonna do it.
Oh, Gary.
Okay.
Your phone ready, baby?
Yeah.
I got mine ready with my puffies. Oh, the other puppies. Oh, no! No! Salem. Okay, this is the other puppies. They can't really see. This is y'all can't really see this. Those are the puppies up in there. You can only see. There's Salem. And the other puppies can't really see. Like this Bree and Tabitha. And then Princess.
Oh, fuck that, man.
Francis, don't say that.
I'm trying to record it, I can't.
Last one, Blue Ribbon. It's like purple more than blue.
Come on. This one's called the blue ribbon, but I'm trying to show it.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Oh, the puppies. Prince, why are you staring at me? Okay, y'all. Well, that's the end of our fireworks. So, bye, y'all.